So as I'm closing out to fix the car, I'm gonna put the windshield in within the next couple of days, maybe tomorrow. Looking at some things that was in the back, sitting in the back they had in a crate. It was these, and the date on these is from the late 70s. They brand new in the pack. I'm gonna clean this up, might as well put it back in the car. And there's a couple things else. We had some bleach white, some cooling system rapid flush, a brand new thing of automatic transmission conditioner, a brand new quart of oil. All these are new, never been opened. So this can foreshadow some, but drove the car and the transmission seemed fine, and definitely wasn't burning the oil or leaking any coolant. But all this stuff is new, brand new. With the exception of this has been used. And everything's from Kmart. You know, all the products, like they went in Kmart that day and shopped for everything. Everything has Kmart logos, even the cables. These are also from Kmart. Never been open. I'm gonna clean this up. I'll be back and show you all this when it's cleaned up. Turned out nice. I'm gonna put it back here. Already got the extra lugs back here, so maybe there. Got a little bulge to it. Let me try to get a little bit better. Let's try it right there. All right, a little bit better. All right, that's better. I'll vacuum everything back here when I'm done. Looking nice. They're in. Hatch is shut. I'll vacuum everything and clean up when I'm done. All right, let's pop the hatch. I hadn't did that in a while. Let's pop the hatch really quick while this down. Let me hook the battery up, and I'm gonna do it while I'm holding it. Battery hooked up. We got lights everywhere. Glove box light. And this aim right there. Push when I pop the hatch. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. All right. Put it back up.